Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to create and format a table in Microsoft Excel to visually group and analyze the data. Let us get started. Select a cell within your data. From Home, select Format as Table. Choose your table style. Check your table range. Mark if your table has headers. OK. Now it's easy to filter your data and perform other analysis to your table. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.